Hello, welcome to 5th generation Hub Shop. And what we have here is the Glock 34 TTI or Taran Tactical Innovation by ENC. This is the unit of Sir Mark. Shout out kay Sir Mark. This is it, sir, your unit. The ENC Taran Tactical Glock 34. So, we'll unbox. Okay, but before that, ito po pala yung freebies. We have the .25 grams 3,000 shots. So, I choose this one rather than .23 kasi mas mabigat ito, mas accurate. Okay, mas mabigat, mas accurate. Okay, .25, 3,000 shots. And it also comes with the number 12 Pop Dino standard power going gas. Okay, so ito na yung inyong unit. Tatabi lang muna natin to. So this is it, sir, your unit. Here's the manual. Ayan, ENC or S-Crane manual. Ayan. And of course, the unit. Ayan. Glock markings, stippled grip with 3 grooves, serrations on our rear, Taran Tactical Innovation markings, serrations on front, white dot, and U-box on rear side, white dot on front side. This is just a sticker, you know. And the other side, meron siyang markings, Combat Master, with the Taran Tactical logo. Okay. And Picatinny rail. Check natin if there is a thread. Kung may thread ba yung barrel. Yes, of course, merong thread. So, you can install suppressor, tracer units, silencer. Okay. This is a magazine, 24 rounder magazine. Yan. Very smooth and crisp. Ganda niya. Okay. Sir Mark. We'll try to disassemble the slide. Okay. So, maganda rin talaga ang internals ni ENC, no? Ayan. Okay. Mura pa. Okay, so balik lang natin. Okay. And let's try to put some gas. Okay, lagyan natin ng gas. Upside down. Okay, inverted position, upside down. Make sure na upside down. Then press. Just count 3 seconds. 3 seconds is enough. Okay, then iwasan nyo rin po yung pagdiin ng valve. So, dapat isang diin lang po. Okay? So, ayan. May gas na siya. Let's try to put some BBs. Okay, pag naglalagay kayo ng BBs, kailangan po alternating yung BBs, no? Huwag nyo pong hayaang may space katulad yan. So, nagkaroon siya ng space dito sa left side. So, dapat walang space. So, alog-alog nyo lang hanggang siya mag-alternate yung BBs. Okay, you can also use BB loader. So, okay, by the way, si Glock pala, meron siyang trigger safety. Kung mapapansin nyo yung itong naka-usli na yan, yan yung tinatawag na trigger safety, no? So, yan, hindi siya gumagana unless pinasok mo yung trigger finger mo and then siya, pag nag-level yan, that's the time na pwede na siyang mag-click. Okay? So, Sir Mark, your unit, sir. Yan, with markings pa siya. I think this is the patent number. Okay. And this is the design of the grip with the groove. Ayan. Ganda ng groove niya. Okay. Saktong-sakto. Pag ginawakan mo, talagang lapat na lapat yung kamay mo dyan. Okay? So, ang ganda ng groove. Okay? Then, the markings. Of course, the Glock markings. So, wala lang siyang kasamang, I think wala siyang kasamang backstrap. Okay? Wala siyang kasamang backstrap. Okay? But this is it. Okay naman yung grip. Saktong-sakto lang pag ginawakan. Okay? And then the back plate. The U-box. Okay? The design of the rear sight. So, this rear sight is removable. So, you can also put red dot sight. So, we have red dot sight available. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung red dot sight. Okay, this one is the red dot sight, which is compatible to your unit, the Glock. Okay, the red dot sight for Glock. Okay, the base part, this one is removable. So if you want to avail the red dot sight, yan. That's the red dot. Okay, mas lalo po forma yung inyong Glock 34. Okay, so how to install the red dot sight? So gagawa na lang ako ng another part of the video kung paano maglagay or mag-install ng red dot sight. So dito lang naman yan. Madali lang naman siyang i-install actually. So as you can see, mayroon siyang lock, yung screw. So tatanggalin mo lang yan, and then pag natanggal mo na, you can remove the rear sight. Yan, natatanggal na yan. And then that's the time na pwede mo siyang lagyan ng plate. So if you avail red dot sight, meron siyang kasamang, if you want to avail, meron siyang kasamang plate. Okay, plate siya, mounting plate para sa red dot. So madali lang siyang kabit. Okay, ganun lang naman siya. Okay, and then sa mga maintenance like silicone oil, so madali lang din. So make sure lang ang lalagyan nyo dito sa part na to, yung railing, no? Wala po kayong ibang lalagyan ng silicone oil kundi itong part na to. Itong part na to, yan, yung may mapapansin nyo na parang rail, no? Railing. May uka po yan dyan sa part na yan. Magkabilaan yan. Yan po kasi yung dinadaanan nito. Yan. So, kailangan lubricated po palagi ito. No? Kailangan lubricated po palagi. Okay, you can use the Ultra lubricant, which is meron din tayo sa shop. You can message us kung gusto nyo mag-avail. So, yun lang ang part na pwede nating i-lube, no? Hindi natin pwedeng lagyan tong nozzle. So, itong kanyang wiggle spring rod. Okay, wiggle spring rod, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng lube also. Okay, so yun lang naman ang kailangan nating i-lube. Kasi yan yung part na during the reciprocation, no? So, yung reciprocation ng slide. So, syempre, blowback siya. So, habang nagkikis-kisan yun, so, katagalan yan, pag dry, katagalan yan, parang nagkakayuran, no? So, kailangan nating lagyan ng lubricant, okay? Para smooth yung reciprocation ng slide natin, okay? So, now, we will going to test this Glock 34 Combat Master of Sir Mark. Ayan. Here's your Glock 34 Combat Master Sir. Napaka-angas din yan, no? Okay? But before tayo magte-test, no? Pasadahan lang natin. Okay, Sir Mark? Here's your Glock 34 Taran Tactical Innovation by ENC. So, ayan siya. Okay, so meron siya Picatinny rail pala. Pwede kang maglagay ng flashlight. Okay, the other side. Ayan. Okay, ganda. Sakto-sakto lang din sa kamay ko. Ayan. Okay, so now, let's proceed to fire testing. Okay, Sir Mark, fire testing of your unit. There's your unit, Taran Tactical Innovation, Glock 34 John Wick. Okay. Fire testing. Always put your trigger finger out. Kung hindi pa kayo ready to shoot. Okay, trigger finger out muna. Okay. Ready to fire. Put your trigger finger on the trigger and then fire. Okay. Okay. So, ayan, nag-open slide na siya. So, once nag-open slide, so, ibig sabihin yan, wala na siyang bala. Okay, pero, hindi ibig sabihin wala na siyang bala, wala rin siyang gas. Meron pa siyang gas. Pag kinapa nyo tong outlet valve, okay, yan. Pag matigas, ibig sabihin may gas, may pressure pa siya. So, pwede pa kayong mag-reload. Pero ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ibabalik yung slide. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin, para bumalik yung slide, ito, hatakin nyo lang to. Yan. And then, release. Okay? Kasi bababa lang naman yung slide, stop, slide, release. Okay? Mas maganda ganun lang. Okay? Then, hammer down. Okay, Sir Mark, thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. Okay na yung unit. 100% in good condition ko. So, kung meron pa po kayong question regarding your unit, just message us sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and mabuhay po kayo. God bless po.